What up, YouTube? So check it out, y'all. We got another little project here, quick little project. So I got these 3 stacks right here of vincas flowers, y'all. I'm gonna be putting them in 3 rows, y'all. So 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm gonna mulch it. So I've already sprayed some weed killer here. So you can see a lot of that is already dying. And you know, it's most of it, some of it will come back up or whatever, but I'll just have to keep it clean. That's what the mulch is for, y'all. So basically, I'm just gonna show y'all before and after. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 stack in each hole. So it'll be pretty nice big arrangement. And then just mulch it in, y'all, and put some water, and then we'll see what it looks like after, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the before and after right now. So that's the before, y'all. Here's my flowers, and I'll see y'all in a bit once I put them in, and then I'll see y'all again once I mulch it, and that's when I'll be watering. So peace, man. I'll see y'all right now. Latest. Alrighty, what up, YouTube? So I just went ahead and did a stack of 6 each, y'all. They're gonna grow. I could have put more, but I'm gonna kind of use them for a further project somewhere else. So stack of 6, they're gonna grow, and they're gonna kind of get fuller. So it should be pretty decent. So I'm about to mulch it, y'all, and then we'll see what it looks like. So I'll see y'all here right now in a bit. Just gotta be careful with this one. Kind of a little bit down. I think it tore right here or something. But alrighty, man. So let me mulch it in, and we'll see what it looks like. Catch y'all here in a bit. Peace. Alrighty, what up, YouTube? So check it out. Let me give y'all a full view. This is what we're looking like right there. I could have put more in there, y'all, but like I said, they're gonna grow, and it is what it is. Just a little landscape section here, y'all. So once they get bigger, it'll look a little more fuller, and I could always come in here and put more if I really wanted to, but I'm gonna leave it like that, man. And like I said, the other ones I'll use them somewhere else. So from nothing into something, and there you go, y'all. So hey, thanks for watching this one. Let me give y'all a little closer look here, and I'll come back once they grow and start flowering, y'all. So there's that one, and there's this one. So they all each have 6 in there, y'all. This one looks a little more compacted, but it's because I kind of squeezed them all together. But no, there's a kind of going under the mulch there. But yeah, there's 6 of them in here, y'all. But alright, man, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll update y'all once they grow. So thanks for watching. Peace.